Bulletin English of the week 27th May to 30th May 2017. Amitabh Bachchan-led toilet usage campaign Darwaza Band launched. ISRO set to launch India's heaviest rocket Fat Boy. Satyabrata Raut honored with Sangeet Natak Akademi Puraskar. India's own global positioning system NAV-IC to be operational from 2018. Delhi Metro's Heritage Line inaugurated. Cyclonic storm Mora to strike East Central Bay of Bengal. India's first electric mass transport project launched in Nagpur. Global icon Priyanka Chopra to be honored with Dadasaheb Phalke Academy Award. Amitabh Bachchan-led toilet usage campaign Darwaza Band launched. The aggressive campaign Darwaza Band was launched in Mumbai on 30th May 2017 by iconic star Amitabh Bachchan. The campaign of Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation and supported by the World Bank seeks to promote toilet usage in the rural areas across the country. The campaign also features actor Anushka Sharma, who will be seen encouraging women to stand up for this issue in their villages and assume a leadership role. ISRO set to launch India's heaviest rocket Fat Boy. ISRO will be launching the heaviest rocket ever made by India, the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle Mark III, on 5th June 2017. The rocket, called the Fat Boy, reportedly weighs as much as 200 full-grown Asian elephants. It is not only capable of carrying the heaviest satellites, but it could also enable India to send manned missions to space. Satyabrata Raut honored with Sangeet Natak Akademi Puraskar. Satyabrata Raut was awarded Sangeet Natak Akademi Puraskar for the year 2016. He is a professor from the Department of Theatre Arts, SN School of Arts and Communication, University of Hyderabad. He was awarded for developing a unique method of teaching and practicing direction and design, which has been achieved through a long and continuous work experience. With eminent theatre practitioners and scholars. India's own global positioning system NAV-IC to be operational from 2018. The GPS is called as Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, alternatively named as NAV-IC. NAV-IC is currently being tested for its accuracy and is most likely to be available in the market for public use early in 2018. Unlike the GPS, NAV-IC system has dual frequency, allowing use of high and low frequency signals. Delhi Metro's Heritage Line inaugurated. Urban Development Minister Venkaiah Naidu flagged off the first train of the Delhi Metro's Heritage Line. This 5.17 km long corridor Heritage Line has 4 stations: Kashmiri Gate, Delhi Gate, Jama Masjid and Lal Killa. The Heritage Line is an extension of Delhi Metro Violet Line that runs between Faridabad and ITO. Cyclonic storm Mora to strike East Central Bay of Bengal. Mora was observed moving northward with a speed of 11 km per hour over East Central Bay of Bengal. It is very likely to move northeastwards and cross Bangladesh coast. Under its impact, rain and thunder shower may occur at many districts of coastal Orissa. India's first electric mass transport project launched in Nagpur. The pilot project holds a fleet of 200 electric-powered public transport vehicles. Out of these 200 vehicles, 100 will be electric taxis and 100 will be e-rickshaws. All these electric-powered public transport vehicles will be fully owned by cab aggregator Ola. Global icon Priyanka Chopra to be honored with Dadasaheb Phalke Academy Award. Actress Priyanka Chopra will be receiving the prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke Award on 1st June 2017 in an award ceremony conducted in Mumbai. The The star would be given the award under the newly introduced category Internationally Acclaimed Actress for her great work on the international platform. Priyanka's mother, Madhu Chopra, will also be honored at the occasion with the Best Film Award for her maiden production Ventilator, a Marathi family drama.